Ha 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 ha, why you killing me, busted? Where you and where you? I'm your love brother, but you kill me, busted, and you take my lotto money. Why, my brother? But you my ghost brother, why you sleep with my wife, that why I kill you, busted, and go now. You are in haven now, never came back, please, and I'll chase you, busted now. Wow and wow, busted, why you heart me, busted brother, I'll kill you, busted, don't try me please, but anyway I need your help, brother. I need to make my sermon serves to make me to get a place here to stay on heaven with a peace, brother. Well, no busted, I can't help you, no busted, please leave me alone, please, must say hello on my mother and father on heaven, hey brother.
The Dise Life
by xolani khanyile.
Please follow this story.
Follow on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and YouTube. Hello, sorry to call you Lizzie, my friend, I have a bad dream last night and no one can help me without you, please Lizzie.
Wow, I good, so what help you need?
My brother, that one was passed on 2019, he need help please.
Wow, no, that one, he tried to rap me, no, I can't, and you crazy, no Samir, I can't really, no.
I know, but he need help, please forgive about that.
I said no. Samir, why you put me on that bed, sermon serves, no. And he slept with your wife. And you forgot everything, wow Samir. I can't believe, and please let me go because I'm feel angry, friend.
Okay, Lizzie, I'm sorry but must think about it. Lizzie, thanks for coming to see me. Please must call me when you read to help me, thank you.
Hi my friend, I calling you a video calls, how are you? I'm fine, and you, and friend, you calling me, for what girl? Please, came to meet me at restaurant around Canure, please. Wow, lol, okay, I'm coming, just give me 10 minutes Lizzie. Okay, I see you there.